Welcome back to Quick Tips for Circle Communities. I'm Rachel Starr, host of Your Community Strategist podcast and the founder of The Co op, a space designed to help women, course creators, summit hosts, and podcasters build thriving, impactful communities while staying true to their vision and values. This week, I want to show you why creating a dedicated FAQ space is essential for your community, even if you already have fantastic onboarding in place. Using a post space with list layout creates an easy to navigate resource hub that reduces repetitive questions, empowers your members, and ultimately saves you time. This simple addition makes a huge difference in member experience and your own community management workload. When members have access to a well organized FAQ space, they can find answers to common questions immediately rather than waiting for a response. Unlike onboarding materials that members experience once and might forget, an FAQ space remains accessible for reference at the exact moment they need specific information. This creates a more self sufficient community where members feel empowered to find solutions. What makes this approach so powerful is that it evolves with your community. As new questions emerge, you can add them to your FAQ space, creating a living resource that becomes more valuable over time. Plus, having a centralized information hub reduces repetitive questions in your community discussions, keeping conversations fresh and focused on deeper topics rather than basic logistics. Let me show you exactly how to set up an effective FAQ space in Circle using the post space with list layout. Welcome inside my FAQ and help space. This space is quite simple, and it might seem like something you don't really need to do because you've already answered all these questions and put all this information into that really great onboarding course. But let's be honest, most members don't want to have to dive back into old course lessons. And by setting up a true FAQ space, you can eliminate a lot of admin work. In here, I have a compilation of the main questions I get asked within my community, such as how to update my profile, how to download the app, how to manage my subscription, notifications, all of those sort of things. I even do one on what is Circle because for a lot of people, we're teaching them what this new type of social media is. You can see that I have them in list view so they're easy to navigate, and I can simply open one up and I'll find information on that topic. Another tip that you can kind of up level your experience is you can add in a form for those who need help. So I have this really great form that opens up out into my ClickUp, and members of my community can submit a ticket. So if they're having any kind of issue with one of their products or any kind of issue locating something in the community and they maybe don't want to put that directly into the community lounge, they can submit a help ticket to me here. These two things combined really do alleviate a lot of those repetitive questions that can happen over and over again. The other thing I love about actually adding in an FAQ space is now I have all of that information in my search bar. So even if you're not an enterprise user and looking at adding in that AI agent to help with some of these things, you can still use the search bar for things like failed payment and see what comes up. Oh, how do I handle a failed payment? And when I open that up, I'm right in that FAQ space. Utilize the search bar by giving it information to populate for your members. And there you have it. A simple but powerful FAQ space using post space with list layout that enhances your members' experience while saving you countless hours answering the same questions over and over again. While we focus on the basic structure today, don't feel limited by this. Your FAQ space can include various categories like community guidelines, technical support, event information, and membership benefits. Consider using topics as the space grows. The key is organizing information in a way that makes sense for your specific community needs. Remember that an FAQ space complements your onboarding, it doesn't replace it. Onboarding provides the initial orientation, while your FAQ space serves as an ongoing reference. Together, they create a comprehensive support system that helps members navigate your community with confidence. I'd love to hear how this FAQ approach works in your community. Drop a comment below to share your experience or any creative variation you've developed. If you're ready to explore more strategies for building organized, member friendly communities, I'm excited to invite you to my free 5-day Challenge Creator Lab starting April 28th. Over 5 days, I'll walk you through creating your own community challenge from scratch, including how to incorporate clear instructions and resources that keep members engaged. By then, you'll have a complete challenge ready to launch in your community. Just click the link in the description to save your spot. If you found this quick tip helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more community building strategies delivered weekly. Every like helps more community builders discover these tips. Thanks for watching this week's Quick Tip. I'll see you next week with another simple strategy to help you build a more engaging, valuable community. Bye, friends.